Spent some time out riding around today, looking for shops. Me and my wife are wanting to build a new house and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with all my stuff. Also, went by the post office, picked up some mail and some stickers from you guys. If you hadn't sent me something just yet, what you waiting on? Hey Black Bear, what are you doing? Pretty much tired of looking at this stuff right here. So the plan for today is to try to get it back in the car. The reason this thing's not already in the car is it's got these holes in the top of this tank. I think from the factory is maybe like the fuel level gauge was here with a rubber grommet around it and probably some kind of vent here. This tank doesn't really need it. It's got a vent piece on the end that goes into the filler tube, so I'm just gonna make some steel plates to go over these. I'll weld them up and then just repaint it. Got these wires that are coming out of the pump. I could just crimp these or solder them, but you know, you don't want to do that stuff on these projects. And I'm talking to all you guys out there, I'm guilty of it myself. You want to spend a little extra attention to detail. It's gonna make a huge difference. If you do the little things that most don't do, in the end you're gonna have a car, a hot rod, a drift car, whatever it is that you're building that is that much above what everybody else is doing. Today's lesson: do the things that others aren't willing to do. In the end, you have something that's better than what they would have done. These weather pack connectors were, I think maybe $4 or something for a pack of 2. They were super cheap. I'll just fasten one to this side and I'll put the other one on the harness that's gonna be in the car, and it'll just make it a lot easier to take the tank out. It'll look really good and shouldn't have any issues out of it.
I know my work, I know the risk. A sledgehammer's job is to break what it hits. I have my words, both my fists, on my blood. I bleed for this. I bleed for this. I bleed for this. It's only a matter of time until I'm covered with gold, but I know it's uphill for now. everybody's judging me. But the one thing I tell myself to get through is nobody does it like me. I go like the world is watching, and everybody's judging me. But the one thing I tell myself to get through is nobody does it like me. I'm unbreakable. I'm holding on. What's gone is gone. I might bend, but I won't break, 'cause I'm unbreakable. I'm holding on. What's gone is gone. I might bend, but I won't break, 'cause I'm unbreakable. 'Cause I'm unbreakable. I might bend, but I won't break.
Well guys, as bad as I wanted to get that stuff in the car, it's just not gonna happen on this video. I got some sheet metal stuff that needs to be done in the back of the Goose before the tank goes in. I gotta sort a couple little things out. Little inspiration for today. It's a quote. I don't remember who it's from, but it goes something like, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start in order to be great. Basically meaning, for something in life that you want, for something that you want to do, don't wait till you're great at it before you start doing it. You gotta go start doing it in order to be great at it. That's my day. Thank you for hanging out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
But I won't stay down, 'cause I'm unbreakable. I'm holding on. What's gone is gone. I might bend, but I won't break, 'cause I'm unbreakable.
Love won't change what I do for you. The well runs dry and I'll dig it new. I keep my hands strong